muscles. Trapezius. Origin is occipital bone and vertebrae. Again, trapezius origin is occipital bone and vertebrae. Insertion is clavicle and scapula. Insertion is clavicle and scapula. Function is raises or lowers the shoulders. Serratus anterior. Serratus anterior. Origin is upper 8 ribs. Insertion is scapula. Serratus anterior. Origin is ribs. Insertion is scapula. Pectoralis major. Pectoralis major. Origin is clavicle and sternum and costal cartilages of true ribs. Insertion is humerus. Function is it flexes the upper arm. Latissimus dorsi. Latissimus dorsi. Origin is at vertebrae ilium crest, ilium crest, and lumbodorsal fascia, which I don't know where that is. But so latissimus dorsi, which has origin at vertebrae, ilium, and lumbodorsal fascia, okay, whatever. And insertion is humerus. It extends the upper arm. Deltoid. Origin is clavicle and scapula. Insertion is humerus. It abducts the upper arm. Biceps brachii. Origin is scapula. Insertion is radius. It flexes the supinated forearm. Brachialis. Origin is humerus. Insertion is ulna. It flexes pronated forearm. Flexes. Branchioradialis. Branchioradialis. Origin is humerus. Insertion is radius. It flexes arm. Triceps brachii. Origin is scapula and humerus. Insertion is ulna. It extends the lower arm. Extensor carpi ulnaris and extensor carpi radialis brevis. Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Origin is, let's see its origin, humerus. Origin is humerus. Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Origin is at humerus, and insertion is second and third metacarpals. Extensor carpi ulnaris. Origin is at humerus. Insertion is at fifth metacarpal. They both extend hand. Now let's do some of these. Buccinator. ლოყაზე არის ესე დაქანებული ტუჩებიდან ყურებისკენ რო წახვიდე. აი ისე. Buccinator. Origin is zygomeric arch. Insertion is mandible. No, disregard that, sorry. Buccinator. Origin is maxillae. Insertion is skin of sides of mouth. Function is it facilitates smiling, blowing as in playing trumpet. Masseter. Origin is zygomeric arch. Insertion is mandible. It closes the jaw. Masseter. Origin is zygomeric arch. Insertion is mandible. It closes the jaw. And we have temporalis bone. This is temporalis bone. Temporalis origin is temporal bone, and insertion is mandible, and it also closes the jaw. Again, we see temporalis here and buccinator. We also have orbiculus oris. Which, let's see, orbiculus oris and occipitofrontalis. Origin is occipitofrontalis. That's how you go.